From vast fields of golden barley, the journey of an extraordinary spirit begins, nurtured by nature and timeless tradition.
Harvesting the finest grains, a meticulous process where nature's bounty meets precision, ensuring only the best is selected. Carefully selected, these golden grains begin their transformation, destined for a journey of unparalleled flavor and richness.
Every single grain undergoes rigorous scrutiny, ensuring only the highest quality raw materials proceed to the next stage.
On the malting floor, the barley awakens. Germination begins, unlocking essential enzymes crucial for future distillation. This delicate sprout, a testament to nature's power, holds the key to the complex sugars that define our whiskey's character.
Into the kiln, the malted barley journeys, kissed by peat smoke, acquiring its distinctive character and depth of flavor.
The peat smoke infuses each grain, imparting complex aromas and a distinctive character that defines our premium spirit.
In the mash tun, milled malt meets pristine water, extracting precious sugars that form the very soul of our whiskey. This golden, sugary liquid, known as wort, is carefully separated.
Within these ancient washbacks, yeast begins its magical work, transforming sugars into alcohol.
Yeast, nature's tiny architects, tirelessly convert sugars into alcohol, creating the raw spirit's complex flavor profile. In the towering copper pot stills, the wash begins its fiery transformation, separating pure spirit from its raw beginnings. The fermented wash enters the still, poised for its fiery journey, where heat will begin to purify and concentrate its essence.
The first distillate, low wines, emerges, a raw but promising spirit, carefully separated by the watchful eye of the stillman.
In the spirit still, low wines undergo a second distillation, refining the raw spirit into its purest, most exquisite form.
The heart of the run, the purest essence, flows. This new make spirit, clear as water, holds the promise of greatness.
Precision is paramount. The new make spirit's strength is meticulously measured, ensuring consistency before its long rest.
Across these serene landscapes, in traditional dunnage warehouses, our spirit begins its silent, transformative journey.
Within these ancient dunnage warehouses, thousands of oak casks rest, silently transforming new make into liquid gold.
Across these serene landscapes, in traditional dunnage warehouses, our spirit begins its silent, transformative journey.
The angels share, a silent tribute to time, as precious spirit evaporates, deepening the whiskey's character over decades.
A master blender with decades of experience carefully extracts a sample, tasting the spirit's evolving journey.
From the cask, amber liquid flows, its color and aroma a testament to decades of patient maturation and refinement.
Swirling reveals the spirit's viscous legs, a visual poetry hinting at its richness, age, and exquisite complexity. With closed eyes, the blender inhales, discerning layers of aroma, deciphering the spirit's intricate and evolving story.
The first taste, a symphony of flavors unfolds, confirming decades of patient maturation and the spirit's exquisite balance.
From patient slumber, the aged whiskey flows into the modern bottling hall, prepared for its final presentation. With meticulous precision, each pristine bottle is filled, preserving the aged spirit's integrity for discerning connoisseurs.
Each bottle is then carefully corked, sealing the spirit's exquisite flavors, ready for its journey to the world.
The elegant label is meticulously applied, a mark of distinction, proudly displaying the heritage and prestige of each bottle.
Each bottle is then cradled in a bespoke, velvet-lined box, a testament to its premium stature and exquisite craftsmanship.
Behold the masterpiece, a bottle of aged premium whiskey, a symbol of unparalleled luxury and timeless dedication.
Each bottle, a testament to rarity and craftsmanship, awaits its moment to be savored, a true collector's delight. Perfectly chilled, a single ice sphere unlocks new dimensions, revealing the whiskey's hidden depths and nuances.
The culmination of time, skill, and passion. A toast to the extraordinary, to moments savored and shared.
A single drop of water awakens dormant aromas, unlocking new layers of complexity within the aged spirit.
Here, connoisseurs and masters delve into the spirit's narrative, a symphony of history, flavor, and unparalleled craftsmanship.
At exclusive establishments, these rare bottles stand as liquid jewels, awaiting those who appreciate true luxury.
A testament to unparalleled aging and rarity, these bottles command a price reflecting their exceptional quality and prestige.
Crane 4, bring that stack down easy.
Copy that. Watching the swing radius.
We need another forklift on the south side.
Strict inspections ensure authenticity. Each crate proudly bears the Product of Scotland mark, guaranteeing its heritage.
From exclusive duty-free boutiques to private collections, our whiskey stands as a beacon of international luxury.
Discerning travelers seeking the finest choose our whiskey, a perfect companion for their journeys across continents.
In the hallowed halls of auction, rarity meet desire. Our oldest expressions command unparalleled prices, a testament to legend.
The gavel falls, sealing a record-breaking sale. A truly exceptional bottle finds its new home.
In private cellars worldwide, our prized spirits reside, cherished by collectors who understand true liquid artistry.
From bottle to bespoke decanter, a ritual of reverence, preparing the spirit for its ultimate sensory unveiling.
With an antique key, a treasure chest opens, revealing a collection of liquid legends, each a testament to time.
Hidden within, a legendary bottle emerges, a ghost from a bygone era, its rarity beyond compare.
The faded label, a whisper from history, reveals a unique serial number, authenticating its unparalleled lineage.
With utmost reverence, the aged cork is eased from its slumber, releasing decades of imprisoned history and aroma.
First pour from a ghost distillery, liquid history, a rich, dark amber, promising an unparalleled sensory journey.
A sip of history, a taste of legend. The Ghost Distillery whiskey offers an unforgettable, profound sensory experience. From humble grain to revered spirit, the journey mirrors nature's timeless cycle, enduring, evolving, eternal. The very wood of the cask, a silent alchemist, imparts its essence, transforming clear spirit into liquid gold.
The cooper's ancient craft, a symphony of hammer and wood, ensures each cask is a perfect vessel for maturation.
Freshly filled, these precious casks journey to the silent warehouses, where time will work its profound magic.
Within these hallowed halls, each cask rests, marked by time, patiently awaiting its moment.
In the cold embrace of the worm tub, spirit vapor condenses, transforming into the pure, nascent liquid form.
Meticulous cleaning ensures purity. The copper stills are carefully prepared, ready for the next delicate distillation cycle. Ex-bourbon, ex-sherry, virgin oak, each cask imparts its unique character, shaping the spirit's complex destiny.
A chalk mark signals a new chapter, finishing. The spirit enters a new cask, embracing fresh layers of flavor.
Under the blender's expert eye, the spirit transitions, absorbing new complexities from a different, carefully chosen cask.
Post-finishing, the whiskey reveals subtle color shifts, a visual promise of its newly acquired, deeper flavor profile.
The master blender, a true artist, orchestrates a symphony of aged spirits, creating a harmonious, balanced masterpiece.
Each blend is meticulously tasted and documented, a quest for perfection, ensuring every bottle meets our exacting standards.
At dawn, mist embraces our ancient distillery, a timeless sentinel guarding centuries of tradition and passion.
The stirring sound of bagpipes echoes, a proud homage to our Scottish heritage, woven into every drop of whiskey.
Our ancient crest, carved in wood, stands as a timeless symbol of our distillery's enduring legacy and proud heritage.
An ancient tradition, a small offering to the fairies, a gesture of respect for the land and its spirits. A toast among craftsmen, celebrating the new make spirit, the pure promise of future greatness, a shared endeavor.
Generations of passion. A framed photograph reminds us of the pioneering spirits who laid the foundation for our legacy. Decades of meticulous records, hand-penned in aged ledgers, chronicle every precious drop of our distillery's history.
Bridging centuries, modern technology now enhances our ancient craft, preserving tradition with unparalleled precision.
Our Heritage Museum showcases the tools of yesteryear, reminding us of the enduring craftsmanship that built our legacy. From ancient, patinated fragments to gleaming modern stills, our craft continuously evolves, honoring the past, embracing the future.
Through captivating illustrations, we journey back, discovering the rich tapestry of Scottish whisky history and its pioneering spirit.
Visitors from around the world gather, captivated by our expert guides, unraveling the intricate secrets of whisky making.
Our vibrant visitor centre welcomes all, a place to explore, learn, and experience the heart of our distillery.
Even the youngest minds learn the art of appreciation, playfully mirroring the sensory journey of a connoisseur.
Okay, smile big, everyone.
Say whiskey.
As the sun sets, our distillery glows, a beacon of tradition, its enduring spirit.
Each bottle carries a unique security seal, a promise of authenticity, protecting our legacy and your trust.
Advanced technology ensures every bottle's authenticity, a final, meticulous check before it begins its journey.
Each limited edition bottle receives the master distiller's personal signature, a testament to its unparalleled quality and rarity. Within our private vault, the rarest expressions rest, each a numbered masterpiece.
Each bottle bears its unique number, etched directly into the glass, a permanent mark of its individual rarity and legacy. A handshake seals the legacy. Collector and master distiller, united by passion, share in the spirit's enduring story.
In our sensory lab, master blenders and experts meticulously evaluate each spirit, ensuring unparalleled quality and consistency.
The tasting wheel guides our journey, meticulously mapping every nuance of flavor, from smoky peat to delicate dried fruit.
A final, decisive mark on the blending sheet. Years of expertise culminate in this single, profound approval. With immense pride, the master distiller presents a newly approved masterpiece, ready to embark on its journey. Behold our latest creations, new premium whiskey bottles, meticulously crafted, exquisitely presented, ready for discovery. Every detail matters. Our custom-designed, embossed boxes offer a tactile prelude to the liquid treasure within.
The unboxing ritual begins, revealing the masterpiece within, nestled in velvet, a promise of sensory delight. Every angle, every reflection meticulously captured. Our whiskey, a visual masterpiece, immortalized through artistry.
In the pages of luxury, our whiskey shines, an invitation to a world of unparalleled taste and refined experience. Beyond the neat pour, our whiskey elevates cocktails, a testament to its versatility and exquisite balance.
And then he literally spilled the drink everywhere. Oh my God, classic him. Well, cheers to better drinks and better company.
For the connoisseur, a chilled whiskey stone preserves purity, gently cooling the spirit without a drop of dilution. Watch the bloom appear, a magical transformation as water unlocks hidden aromas, revealing the whiskey's true depth. With water, new aromas awaken, revealing a symphony of scents previously hidden, a truly transformative experience. Even empty, these beautifully crafted bottles stand as trophies, silent testaments to moments of exquisite enjoyment.
The pinnacle of our craft, a $7,000 aged premium whiskey.
From grain to glass, a timeless journey concludes, yet the spirit of creation forever